Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look at Paychex today. Look, this is about a textbook cup and handle. I've been featuring this. We've been looking at this for a while in the premium section here. I think I've actually posted it once on our free chart stuff, but I want to show you this because this is a pretty interesting situation. First of all, the stock gapped up and ran to $100 here. Okay, then ultimately it fell back. It fell back 14% before finding a base. Now, 14% pullback is definitely fine for establishing a cup and handle, the cup pattern. If it falls a lot further than that, then it's really not a cup. It's just a sell-off trying to regain stuff here. So this thing falls about, we'll call it 15%, and then it comes back up to form what's starting to be like a low handle. In other words, the high here was only at 96.75. 98.60. So it's a couple bucks less than this $100 mark from back here in December. So that's a low handle. I actually prefer the low ones because you can get in at a cheaper price. All right, so we first were looking at this here. Like this was, this was the, the first entry here on this pullback. So you're in, we'll call it right here at the top at 96.50. You're not making much money right now, but you're getting a feel for the pattern. And so then the next entry is here. This is yesterday when the stock runs up above the prior day's intraday high. And then finally, your next entry is today. So I don't really think this is too late for you to be buying this stock. Would have been nice to get in when we were first looking at it here. But the way then that you want to create like a measured move, what's the minimum I expect to make? So it's about 16%, depending on where you want to start, from below or above. We'll say the fall was 15%. And so then we look here and measure up 15%, starting at $100. Magically, it's $115. That math thing is, and it's the same for everybody. Sorry. 15%, 1.15% of 100 is $115. Doesn't matter what you look like in the mirror. So the price here, the price target is $115. So you're buying it here, and you're risking a little less than $5. You can buy it here and put your stop just below this low right here. And so this is how I would frame this trade. This is how I have it framed. I'm in this trade in just the way that I've described it for you here. So in light of the way the market's kind of so choppy and weak and all that, this is a stock that's doing really well, and I think it's going to run higher. So anyway, that's all I got for you. If you haven't tried Stock Market Mentor, look, we got a lot of stuff going on. We've got a forum that's rocking. If you're tired of trading alone, I want you to come trade with us. That's all I got to say. I can't hard sell it. I'll just tell you, you need to be there.